Hello everyone, welcome to Kesha Math Academy. Today I will teach you how to convert binary to octal as well as octal to binary. So let us consider the binary to octal conversion. So binary number base is 2, octal number base is 8. The base of the octal number is 8. Therefore, in order to represent 8, we can write 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Okay, therefore you need 3 bits to represent the octal number system. Therefore I can write like this: 0 0 0 in binary is equal to 0 in octal, 0 0 1 is equal to 1, 0 1 0 2 0 1 1 3 1 0 0 4 1 0 1 5 1 1 0 6 1 1 1 7. It is because 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. For example, 7 means 2 to the power of 0 is 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 plus 1, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. Therefore, wherever you need, in order to write 7, in the position of 4 you write 1, in the position of 2 you write 1, in the position of 1 you write 1. It indicates 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. If I have to write 6, 6 can be written as 4 plus 2. Therefore, you have to write 1 1 in the position of 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 6, this is 0. Therefore, 4 plus 2 6. Okay. If I have to write 4, 4 can be written as, in the position of 4 you have to write 1, others 0. So, it is 4. Okay. Therefore, in octal number system you need 3 bits. Okay. Now, first consider binary to octal conversion. Okay, binary to octal conversion. Consider a binary number 110111, which is in binary. Okay, that is how much in octal. Okay, now what I'll do is, see, consider a number 110111. As I have already told you, we need 3 bits to represent it in octal. Therefore, starting from this, consider like this: 3 bits. Okay, so this can be written as, now 110 is a 6, 111 is a 7. Okay, therefore 67 in octal. Right, 67 in octal. Okay, now consider another number, for example 101011110. Okay, that's equal to, now see here you have to come from this side, so consider 3 bits, then again 3 bits, again 3 bits. Therefore, it is, now this is 101 is 5, 011 is 3, 110 is 6 in octal. Okay. Now consider another number, for example 1110.01101. Now see this number which is in binary. Okay. Now this is equal to how much in octal? Okay. Now see, this can be written as, now see here, I will write again here 1110.01101. Now you have fraction point here, so before the fraction point you have to start like this. After the fraction point you have to start like this. Okay, now this can be written as, now see here, this is 110 is 6. Now here, see, before this nothing is there, it indicates it is 0, so you have to consider this one as a 0. So 001 is 1. Okay, next for point you have to put the point. Now from this to this side 0 1 1, 0 1 1 is 3. Okay, now see here 0 1, nothing is there, nothing is there, it indicates it is 0, therefore 0 1 0, 0 1 0 is 2. Okay, so this is the conversion of binary to octal with fraction point as well as without fraction point. Next consider octal to binary. Okay, octal to binary, octal to binary. Okay, now octal to binary. Now I'll consider one example, 7 2 4, which is in octal, that is equal to how much in binary. Okay, now this can be written as, so okay, that is equal to easy way. Now see how to represent 7. As I've already told you, 7 is represented as 1 1 1. Okay, here I have written. Okay, so 7 is represented as 1 1 1, therefore I can write 7 as 1 1 1, 2 as 0 1 0, 4 as 1 0 0. Okay, this is the representation of octal to binary. Next consider another example. I'll write here 365.217 in octal is equal to, now see here, this is equal to 3. 3 can be written as 0 1 1, 6 can be written as 1 1 0, 5 can be written as 1 0 1, point 2 can be written as 0 1 0, 1 can be written as 0 0 1, 7 can be written as 1 1 1. Okay, okay, this is the value. Okay, next consider another example, 0.506. Okay, this can be written as 5 can be written as 1 0 1, 0 can be written as 0 0 0, 6 can be written as 1 1 0. Okay, so this is the conversion. So you need 3 bits to convert from octal to binary, as well as in order to write from binary to octal, again you have to consider 3 bits. Okay, so this is the way of converting binary to octal as well as octal to binary. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept. Okay, so we will meet in the next video, so please like the channel and subscribe it. So till then, bye, we will meet in the next video.